Buongiorno sorelle e fratelli, facciamo Namaskar, ci alziamo la Kundalini e ci diamo i 7 bandha. Good morning sisters and brothers, e do Namaskar, rise our Kundalini and give 7 bandhams. Recitiamo il Ganesha Atharva Shirsha. Om Namaste Ganapataye Tvameva Praktyaksham Tattvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Nartasi.
Tvameva Kevalam Haratasi. Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi. Tvam Sakshadatmasi Nityam Ritam Vachmi Satyam Vachmi. Avatvam Mam Avavaktaram Avashrotaram Avadataram Avadhataram Avanuchanamavashisham Avapashchatat Avapurastat Avottaratat Avadakshinatat Avachordhvatat Avadharatat Sarvato Mam Pahi Pahi Samantat Tvam Vangmayastvam Chinmayaha Tvam Anandamayastvam Brahmamayaha Tvam Satchidananda Dvitiyosi Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi Sarvam Jagadidam Tvatto Jayate Sarvam Jagadidam Tvattastisthati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvayilayamishati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvayi Pratyeti Tvam Bhumirapo Nalo Nilo Nabhaha Tvam Chatvari Vakpadani Tvam Gunatrayatitaha Tvam Dehatrayatitaha Tvam Kalatrayatitaha Tvam Mooladharasthitosi Nityam Tvam Shaktitrayatmakaha Tvam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam Tvam Brahma Tvam Vishnuhu Tvam Rudrastvam Indrastvam Agnistvam Vayustvam Suryastvam Chandramastvam Brahma Bhurbhuvaha Svarum Ganadim Purvamuccarya Varnadim Tadanantaram Anusvarah Parataraha Ardhem Dulasitam तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपम् गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपम् बिन्दुरुत्तररूपम् नादसन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः स्वैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निजृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुरहस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः।
Questa meditazione faremo una particolare attenzione al nostro Muladhara Chakra. In this meditation we will do a little attention in our Muladhara Chakra. We ask Sri Ganesha to awaken in ourselves. Chiediamo a Sri Ganesha di risvegliarsi dentro di noi. Proprio diciamo, ognuno dentro di noi, Sri Ganesha, risvegliati dentro di me. facciamo attenzione nel nostro Muladhara, facciamo attenzione dove siamo seduti. We put our attention where we sit. We put our attention in our Muladhara. Facciamo un respiro e proviamo a portare il respiro fino al Muladhara. We take a breath very low, very deep. Ci arrendiamo al potere dell'innocenza. Ci arrendiamo al potere della spontaneità. Ci arrendiamo al potere della purezza. E ringraziamo il potere della saggezza. We surrender to the power of innocence. We surrender to the power of spontaneity. We surrender to the power of purity. And we raise to the wisdom, to the power of wisdom. Chiediamo chiediamo di poter mantenere queste vibrazioni anche dopo, durante la giornata, in qualche momento. Chiediamo di poter avere un qualche modo per ricordarci di questo momento durante la giornata. Per poter avere un rivivere queste vibrazioni di purezza durante la giornata. Sri Ganesha, ti prego, facci rivivere queste vibrazioni in qualche momento durante la giornata. Madre Kundalini, ti prego, svegliati nel nostro Svadhisthana. Mother Kundalini, please come in our Svadhisthana. Madre Kundalini, please give us the pure knowledge. Madre Kundalini, per piacere, donaci la pura conoscenza. Donaci le vibrazioni. E Madre Kundalini purifica la nostra attenzione. Mother Kundalini, please make our attention pure, purify. Now we ask our Kundalini to come in our Nabi. Madre Kundalini, per piacere, vieni nel nostro Nabi, illumina il nostro Nabi. Fa noi diventiamo sempre più consapevoli di dover solo ringraziare. Prima di tutto, prima di ogni cosa, solo ringraziare. Grazie. 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 First of all, we have to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Madre Kundalini illumina il nostro voi. Mother Kundalini, please enlighten our void. Illumina il nostro Dharma. Facci diventare dharmici, gioire nel essere dharmici. Mother Kundalini, please make us dharmic. Make we enjoy to be dharmic. Madre Kundalini, illumina il nostro cuore. Mother Kundalini, please light our heart. Remove all our fears. Rimuovi per piacere le nostre paure. Donaci il coraggio. Give us the breath. Proviamo a sentire il nostro battito. Tratteniamo un attimo il respiro e proviamo a vibrare col nostro cuore, insieme al nostro cuore, insieme ai nostri cuori. Portiamo l'attenzione al nostro Vishuddhi. Put our attention in our Vishuddhi. Madre Kundalini, per piacere, donaci il distacco, la dolcezza. Madre Kundalini, please give us the detachment, the sweetness, qua dovremo sentire, chiediamo sentire la unione tra tutti noi. Tra tutti noi, fratelli, sorelle, Saja Yogis. Portiamo la mano sulla fronte, ci appoggiamo sulla mano e diciamo: Madre, io perdono tutti, tutto e anche me stesso. Mother, we forgive everything and also myself. We forgive. E quando perdoniamo, sappiamo che c'è un'energia più grande di noi. Arrendiamo tutto al Paracentania. Possiamo riportare la mano sul ginocchio. Portiamo l'attenzione nel nostro Sahasrara. We put our attention in the Sahasrara. Però ci ricordiamo che è Ganesha che ci sostiene. E dal Muladhara percorriamo tutto il nostro canale centrale, il canale dell'evoluzione, Mahalakshmi, per piacere, anche per un solo secondo, fa che noi evolviamo.
Sri Maha Today I wanted to talk about Muladhara, which is very important subject. I think I have talked about it many a times. But in the West, I must say, because of our wrong attitudes, and acceptance of wrong mental projections of other people who are very dominating, we have very much ruined our Muladhara. Despite the fact that Kundalini has risen with whatever weaker power that Muladhara had and has sustained itself, we must know that we can always fall a trap to our different bifurcations which we had created before. It's a very serious matter that the Muladhara chakra has been really shattered, and we have created pathways into which our attention can go if we are not very careful. Now supposing if somebody is a dishonest person or a miserly person or money oriented, it is very gross and you can see it so clearly. You see yourself and you get shocked, why did I say such a thing? Why did I do such a thing? But when it comes to the left side nonsense, sin against the mother, it's a secretive action. That's only between you and yourself. Nobody knows what goes on in your mind except for you. Nobody knows what you are going to do next moment, in your privacy, when you are alone. Nobody can look into it except for your mother. I also only feel your Muladharas, and to be very frank with you, that's one center I find it difficult to feel myself. The reason is, I have a very, very strong Muladhara, which is not so sensitive, I would say. It is not bothered. The attention of my Muladhara doesn't go near any other Muladhara. It just recedes back. That's the action it plays all the time. So I also, unless and until it is very badly off and if the person is very close to me, then I feel the Muladhara very strongly. But still I can. Supposing you give me something, that thing is used by you, immediately I can feel it. So the correction of Muladhara entirely depends on you. And without a strong Muladhara, you cannot rise high. Do what you like. Now for people who are Indians, who have respected their Muladharas, there are so many methods and ways given how to raise the power of Muladhara. But that won't work out with the Western people, because it's a damaged one. It's a one which is a shattered one, and which does not work on the physical side of the Muladhara, but on the emotional side, as we call the mana, the left side. So, even you may not talk in that way, but your mind is still in that realm. And you still think on that realm. Even mentally, you are in it. Or you are seeing things, wanting to see such things, wanting to enjoy such things. That lurking attraction is still there, your Muladhara cannot stand that. We have to realize that I am talking to Western people. I would not say the same to the people from India. So now we have to work out much harder to be on the watch out, to deal with yourself, as it is more a mental activity. Mental meaning, I mean the emotional side. You have to watch your mind. In English it's very funny word mind is, but mana, through which we cater to our emotional side, to our desires. Where is it going? Where is this movement of our mind? What is it doing? You have to stand against your mind, stand against your desires, or you can face it and see for yourself clearly what's happening. It's for you to decide. Nobody is going to correct you on this point. I know you people have been confessing to me. I never read your letters, to be very frank. Whatever letters you sent, I would not read it. Whatever confessions you have made, I have burnt all those letters. I haven't got any idea as to what you did, nor do I want to know about it. That's not my concern. My concern is that now you do not dwell upon the same ideas on the same level, or on any level whatsoever, we can say. It is in thoughtless awareness you can combat the thoughts that come to you from wrong type of Muladhara. Maybe some of you have got booths on your Muladhara. And we have some physical treatment for such booths also, which I'll tell to come in sometimes, which you can ask. But you cannot always say that it is a booth and I'm all right, I'm away from the booth. You are not. Whenever you say I have a booth, means you yourself, you are siding with the booth. You see a person as a sakshi. That means you see that person, but you do not get a reaction, which is killer of joy. You yourself can feel your Muladharas very well. You can feel it on your fingertips also, and be alert about it. If you want to be kind to yourself, know that you have to divert your attention towards a sane married life. But also that should not be too much. Because what I have learned now, that in the West people have devised methods of transferring their attention from one person to another. Mental acrobats of different types they have devised to destroy their pure attention. Don't play on to these. There are so many other things by which we express that we are still under the trap of a bad Muladhara. The way you dress up, the way you walk, the way you sit, the way you talk, the way you behave, to impress other people and to be impressed by other people in Sahaja Yoga itself. The only impression that should really work is the height of ascent that others have achieved. You can do it, it's not difficult. When the Kundalini can rise with all such shattered Muladharas, I'm sure you can cure your Muladhara completely. But your question is first of all of strengthening the Muladhara, for which I think you all have to go into a kind of a tapasya. That's why I say sometimes that the Western people should take less of meat, especially the red meats and beefs and horses and dogs and I don't know what else you eat. Take more to vegetarian food. I am not saying vegetarianism, you understand that. Take more to things which do not give you so much heat in the body. Even fish is very heaty. So take to a life which is in a way ascetic, but don't take to these horrible health foods also. And I can't tolerate them, I tell you. They are not meant for human beings, for animals, I think. They churn your stomach completely, it's horrible. This country store thing I took once and I said, had enough of it. Country store, the whole country went into my stomach, I think.
Cantiamo I 3 grandi mantra. We can sing the 3 great mantra.
साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रारा स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो
Ringraziamo Madre per questa meditazione. Facciamo Namaskar, ci alziamo la Kundalini e ci diamo i 7 Bandha. Buona giornata a tutti. We thanks for this meditation. We do Namaskar, raise our Kundalini and give 7 bandhas. Have a nice day, sisters and brothers. Jai Shri Mata.